स्वागत है बच्चों आज के इंग्लिश लेक्चर में। और आज का जो हमारा लेक्चर है, आज से जो हम एक न्यू सीरीज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं विच इज नोन एज द स्पोकन सीरीज। यू लुक गाइज, इफ यू watch this lecture and you watch this series, then it is really very useful for your spoken English structure, because from today I'm going to start a very special series which is you have to improve your English and you can use this all structure in your daily life. So firstly, this is the first lecture from today, and this lecture and this episode continue in part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on. So today I pick out here the first structure is feel like. Uses of feel like. Uses of feel like, which means that guys, feel like हम कह सकते हैं feel like को हिंदी में मन करता है या मन कर रहा है। इसका मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? फील लाइक का मतलब मन करता है या कह सकते हैं हम मन कर रहा है ना? दोनों सेंस में हम ले सकते हैं। अब नाउ द फील लाइक इट कैन बी चेंज according to subject. If we take subject I, we, you, they, then we shall use feel. But if we take subject he, she, it and third person any singular number, then we use V5 like feels. We can take many example here. So firstly, taking an example, we have to write here the structure. The structure is, guys, we have to take first subject. We have to take firstly subject, then after we take feel like. We take feel like, yeah, feels like. Then gerund, then we have to adding here gerund and other word, है ना? Other word या something. This is our structure and we can make many spoken sentence according to this structure. So let's see guys, I have take here the first example which is कि मेरा अंग्रेजी सीखने का मन कर रहा है. How can I translate into English? It's so simple. We have to take first subject. Here subject is मैं. Then we take here I. मेरा अंग्रेजी सीखने का मन कर रहा है. तो मेरा का I के साथ क्या लगाना है बच्चों? Feel like. तो उसके बाद क्या? gerund, सीखना. तो I feel like learning English. So we can make many sentence. So firstly we have to also note here one point that, है ना? The point is that we use feel like. We use feel like for, yeah, we can simply write in another way like I, we, you, they and plural number, है ना? If our subject is I, we, you, they and any plural number, then we shall use feel like. We shall use feel like. It's a clear? And now the other is feels like. Then we can use when the subject is he, she, it or and any singular number, then we use here feels like. Feels like and apply this all gerund and other word. So let's guys take a many example here. So I hope you have to write down this. So firstly you have to take a screenshot, then after I proceed this lecture. So I hope from here I write here an example. So simply example I take here. I take here example. वह या उसे जाने का मन कर रहा है. So how to translate into English? So firstly guys, we have to watch here. Subject is use. Then we use for use he. Then we use here for use he, and we also use for he, see, it, and any singular number. Feels like. So I use here feels like. He feels like. उसके बाद क्या डालना है? जिरंड है ना. जिरंड क्या है? जाने का मन कर रहा है. He feels like क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? गोइंग है ना. इसी तरह मेनी एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं हम. ओरल एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. जैसे मुझे पढ़ने का मन कर रहा है. आई फील लाइक रीडिंग. या कह सकते हैं तुम्हें खेलने का मन कर रहा है. यू फील लाइक प्लेइंग. या कह सकते हैं हम many example. We can take a many example. You can also yourself you have to consider many example and also translate into English. So this is a self study. This is a self work for you. Work for you. So I also take more example here that सीता को खेलने का मन कर रहा है. सीता feels like playing. जैसे बोल सकते हैं राजू को मूवी देखने का मन कर रहा है. राजू यहाँ चूंकि सब्जेक्ट क्या है बच्चों? सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर नंबर. सो वी कैन ट्रांसलेट हेयर. राजू को मूवी देखने का मन कर रहा है. राजू फील्स लाइक वाचिंग मूवी. एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल कि तुम्हें सोने का मन कर रहा है. या मेरा सोने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like sleeping. So we can take a many example here. You can do yourself and you can practice at your home. After watching this video, I hope you can easily you can apply this structure in your daily life, है ना. And you guys also, I am saying here one more thing. This is our first lecture on a spoken structure, and this spoken English class continue in part 1, part 2, part 3 and so on. So this is today first lecture, and I provide this structure in part 1, part 2. So thank you for watching this video, and the guys do one thing for me. If you like this video, then share your friend and subscribe the channel, and also like video.